All right, folks, gather round for a mind-blowing tale. The legendary Ark of the Covenant. A chest with pure destructive power. This golden box, measuring a whopping 1.20 meters, isn't your ordinary storage container. No siree. It housed not only the sacred 10 Commandments, but also possessed jaw-dropping abilities that would make your head spin. Picture this. When the Israelites were fleeing Egypt, the Ark had the divine might to part the waters of the mighty Jordan River. And that's not all. When this majestic chest was carried around Jericho, those fortified walls trembled and crumbled like nobody's business. But wait, there's more to this riveting tale. The Ark eventually found its way to the illustrious Solomon's Temple in the heart of Jerusalem. But that's where the trail goes cold, my friends. When the Babylonians came storming in 586 BC, the temple was razed, and the Ark mysteriously vanished from all known records. Now, the hunt for this incredible artifact has fueled countless speculations. Some whisper that it's still hidden, tucked away somewhere on the mystical Temple Mount. Others claim it was snatched during the wild and tumultuous Crusades, finding refuge in the distant lands of France. But hold on tight, because the saga doesn't end there. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church boasts that they've got their hands on it, hidden away in Axum. But oh, they're playing it coy, not showing it off to the world just yet. Talk about secrets and mysteries, am I right? And just when you think we're done with the twists, here comes a daring British scholar, Tudor Parfit, with an intriguing connection. He links the Ark to a sacred vessel called the Drum of the Ancestors in none other than Zimbabwe. Yes, you heard me right, Zimbabwe. But hold your horses, cause there's a tiny hiccup in this wild theory. This Drum of the Ancestors has been subjected to some serious C-14 dating, and turns out it's actually younger than the Ark itself. Oh, the plot thickens. So there you have it, folks. The astounding story of the Ark of the Covenant. A treasure trove of enigmas where history, faith, and adventure collide. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on more thrilling quests through the annals of time. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more hair-raising tales. Cheers!